Okay, let me take you through my nighttime Korean skincare routine using the Inselderm. I take a full pump of the Puracell cleansing oil. This dissolves all my makeup, even my waterproof stuff, and it just preps the skin. And I go in with my secondary cleanser, which is the snow enzyme cleanser. This stuff is magic. It's an enzyme cleanser. You can actually feel it working. It kind of bubbles up almost like a shaving cream. And then it not only just cleans the skin, but it preps for moisture. Then I go in with the Viaton oil mist. This stuff is magic. It's got all sorts of botanicals in it, and it is just yummy. Then the famous Bousset Boo, which is the booster spray. Then I add the serum. Then you do the booster spray again. This is like 80% of our patented ingredients. The giant byung pole plant and the Jeju lava water. This is where the magic comes in. You're going to want to make sure and let things dry down in between. This one helps with so that the products aren't so sticky, but it's in the layering that the magic happens with this skincare. I'm going in with the Rad 100 Ampule. I love it under my eyes. It just adds a boost under my eyes. And then the Active Cream EX. This stuff is magic. It sold 35 million bottles in a country with 50 million people. Don't forget the Viaton Balm Stick for your lips. And if you're interested in needing help with your skincare, let me know.